So I opened the fridge the other night looking for something to eat without cooking because, that's the American dream. I see this Tupperware way in the back. No label, no memory, just mystery. I open it and instantly regret my life choices. The smell hit me so hard, my ancestors flinched. But here's the worst part. I still sniffed it again. Why do we do that? Like the second sniff's gonna be better somehow. I squint at it like it'll reveal the date. Chicken, pasta, a science experiment. My wife walks in and casually says, "Oh yeah, I was gonna throw that out last week." Last week. So now it's fermented history. I sealed it back up, whispered, "I'm sorry," and threw the whole container in the trash. Tupperware and all. Some things aren't worth washing. That is another story from Stress Free Stories.